Hi, this is Sava, Technical Director of CoolU, and today I'm going to talk to you about spring cleaning and looking after your air conditioning system. A very common question asked is there anything for me as the end user, your client, to do after I've purchased one of your solutions? All we ask from you really is that you follow the advice on operation. We will give you, after an installation, a simple one-page laminated sheet, not a large book that you'll never look through, a simple one-page sheet that tells you exactly how to run your AC system for optimum efficiency for your space. As long as you follow that, there's really nothing else for you to do. When it comes to cleaning, spring cleaning, maintaining your system, we do it all for you. After your system is installed, we will send you out a maintenance agreement. It's purely a document that says when we will attend and what we will do when we attend. We will give you a call to arrange for one of our qualified, certified, insured engineers to attend at a convenient time to suit yourselves. We will then attend, carry out the maintenance procedure, which generally involves checking the system is operating as it should, making sure the filters are clean, making sure we've added antibacterial agents to make sure the air and everything in your apartment is smelling nice, as well as other checks that we will carry out. But this is all done for you and you have nothing to worry about. There's nothing in general operation for you to either be topping up, emptying, or to be concerned. So if you'd like any more information on what I just said, please do give us a call or visit the website. Thank you.